Hi guys, today I'm filming how I steam my natural hair. Ripe avocado, shea butter, these are eggs. I'm supposed to add cholesterol. This will suffice, and the eggs will also act as my cholesterol. This is the mashing process, manual mashing. Add the yolk to serve as our cholesterol. The last but not the least ingredient, add. This is what the final mixture looks like. I'll be applying it to my natural hair. It treats my hair, it prevents it from cutting, breakage. This is my hair, which I'll be applying the ingredients to for treatment. The hair is less than 2 years old. I'll be applying from the root of my hair or base to the tip. You might want to put an apron on and probably do this before taking your bath so that it does not spill all over your dress. And I'm also doing this for people like me. I'm currently 7 in Akwa Ibom, in a village. Like when I mean village where most of the hairdressers don't even know the appropriate treatment for someone like me that's carrying a natural hair, except for CHR, that's chemical hair relaxing and maybe straightening out. They just usually tell me when my hair is breaking, I should go and treat it. So I have to do it myself, DIY. Just because I'm 7 in a village doesn't mean I shouldn't take care of myself. I shouldn't take care of my hair. Care of my hair is as important as care of my skin. Shampoo I used in washing my hair, Tresemme.
Others light, or wish for gifts not in sight. You're equipped with all you need to run, be full of pride for the life where you reside. We're meant to be.
Subscribe, like, and comment.